By pressing the button on the front wiper combination switch up to the point of resistance, the front wiper will wipe once. By pressing the button on the combination switch past the point of resistance, the front wiper will wipe with the front windscreen washer fluid. Turning the combination switch to the corresponding positions will enable, in order, standard intermittent wiping, fast intermittent wiping, slow continuous wiping, and fast continuous wiping. Turn off the front windscreen wiper. For vehicles equipped with rain sensors, turning the combination switch to the intermittent wiping mode will enable the automatic wiping frequency adjustment according to the rainfall. For vehicles without rain sensors, it will enable the automatic wiping frequency adjustment according to the vehicle speed. To the right of the front wiper combination switch is the rear wiper combination switch, which is used to switch the rear wiper on and off. By turning the switch to highest point or to the lowest point and holding, the rear wiper will wipe with rear windscreen washer fluid. Tap on the center display and enter the Vehicle Settings, Vehicle Control Interface. Here you can tap the option when reversing rear wiper turned off to turn it on or off. With the front wiper turned on, the rear wiper will work automatically when the vehicle is in R gear. To replace or repair the front wipers, turn the wipers off, tap the vehicle icon on the center display, enter Vehicle Condition, and turn on the option Windshield Wiper Maintenance. The wipers will rise to their highest positions to allow you to perform the wiper maintenance operations. Turn off the option Windshield Wiper Maintenance, and the wipers will reset to their lowest positions.